Bonjour and welcome back to 4x4 Explore. This is me, and here's my husband Keith. We enjoy traveling around Australia in our Toyota 79 series fitted with a Tommy camper. Join us on our journey, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, this morning we woke up to this absolutely stunning mist. Look at that. A bit chilly. I felt like felt when I was making my coffee that my hand was sticking to the metal. It was that cold. So don't know what temperature, but it was probably around, below 5. Not above 0, but somewhere there. We spent our night at the Dargo Hotel yesterday, which was nice not to have to cook for once. And today we are going to explore this side of the Victoria High Country. We'll start with the Crooked River track, few river crossing I believe, and hopefully we'll find a nice campsite at the end of that. So I think it's going to be quite an exciting adventure. So we'll take you with us. We'll see you on the road. As we drive through the high country, we notice vast areas that have been cleared of trees to create paddocks. I can't help but imagine this clearing being done by the settlers in the 1900s. They would cut down the trees, harvest the wood to build houses, and remove the stumps using horses and oxen. That would have been a monumental effort. Can you imagine? Let's have a look. I'm not getting out, it's too cold yet. Maybe I'll send a drone next time. We're going to go and visit the cow. Area. I think this was a big mining area for gold. Yeah. So what you saw just back there was some big bucket for mining equipment. Now we are following the Crooked River. Isn't that pretty? I absolutely love driving through the forest like this. The weather is fantastic, blue sky, a bit fresh, and we're just following a small little river, nice river crossings, nice scenery. Love it! What do you think, Keith?
Love it.
Love it. Right, so we spent a few days here. It was awesome. Nice little camp spot on the Crooked River, and now we are going to go and do a bit of exploring today and make our way to the Mount Buffalo. Don't know if we'll make it today, but that'll be good. So the car is all packed up. Well, it's a river creek crossing. They're quite chopped up, and so far it's been fun. Here you go, another river crossing now, and you can see tight here, so to come into the river it's a bit steep sometimes, and to come out again, but it's quite a lot of fun, right, Keith? Keith is in this zone, doesn't speak too much, really focusing on the drive.
Look at the hills I've got to avoid.
Alright, this is a bit steep here.
It's not steep, it's the ruts where they've dug them.
Yeah.
To get out and let the tyres down, four-wheel drive.
Yeah. Lots of fun anyway. So it's only about, from where we were camping, we was camping at the Crooked River campsite. I think the track is only like 5 kilometers long. And after that we will have to decide if we want to climb up the spur or if we come back down this way. So we will see how we go. We're not extreme four-wheel driver, it's not four-wheel drive action here, so our first priority is to look after the car, to have a little bit of fun, but not to do anything too stupid. the adventure at the Dargo Hotel. From there, we continued south on the Dargo Road and took the shortcut track to join the Woonongata Road. We followed the Woonongata River until Kingwell Bridge. Then we took the Talbotville Road and turned left onto the Crooked River track. And this is where the fun river crossing began. We continued on the Crooked River track, and about 500 meters before the main Crooked River campsite, we found a secluded campsite right by the river. We stayed there for a few days. It was awesome. We then continued on the Crooked River track for about 5 kilometers. The river crossings became increasingly challenging as we approached Naroon. Upon reaching Naroon, we took the Bulltown Spur track, which was steep but manageable. We then rejoined Macmillan's Road. What a day! This was one of my favorite parts of the high country so far. In the next episode, we will continue exploring the high country, so stay tuned, enjoy your travels, and stay safe. Until next time!